Hey, welcome to this demo on NxtOption. I'm going to talk about group adjust that is available on NxtOption, which helps you roll over your current positions. Let me show you how to do it. So here we are on NxtOption's page. I'm going to click on positions. Let's open positions, and here you can see there are two positions that are open, okay, for 21st July 2026 expiry. So we have 23,800 put buy and 23,750 put sell. So these are two positions that are open. So these positions were taken based on the thought that the market is bearish. So we had a bearish outlook. Suppose the market's outlook is changed. You believed that the market is bearish, but now you feel the market is going to be bullish and you want to swap these positions, as in you want to roll over, add new positions and close these positions. You can easily do that using the group adjust option available on NxtOption. So you can see these three dashes, three dots. Click on them. You have group adjust. So here we are taking 23,750 put, sell of 23,750 put of 21st July. So I'm just going to click on group adjust, choose the expiry. I want to take next week's expiry to roll over this position. So let's go to 23,750. We had sold 23,750 put. So let's buy 23,750 put, and we had bought 23,800 previously. So we're just gonna sell it. Just gonna take the opposite positions because our views have changed from bearish to bullish. So you can see when we do that, here we have the exit order. Here we have the previous positions that's open, and this is the new position that's going to be opened as soon as I take this trade. Okay, so I'm just going to click on adjust. Your order pad opens, and if you click on exit, your order is just placed. So basically your present positions have closed and rolled over with new positions opened from the next week's expiry. So this week's expiry is closed and next week expiry's positions have opened with a bullish view. So this is how you can use group adjust on NxtOption. That's it for this demo. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.